Hello, my paint pouring friends. How are you all doing this wonderful day? I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Today I just wanted to play with, some bright colors. So we have white, black, and really hot pink. And we are doing a large open cup pour. It's a decent sized canvas, bigger than I typically use. My cake spinner is under it. But we're going to be doing a large open cup pour today with those pretty colors. We're hoping that we get something pretty brilliant. So, let me say a special thank you to you guys. It's because of each and every one of you that come out to watch my videos. You guys are actually making a large impact in my life now. As you know, this channel finally got monetized not too long ago, and just with you guys coming out and supporting me and showing me all this love, it's able to fund quite a lot of the things that I buy for this channel. And every bit of money I get from that is going back into this channel. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Seriously, 100%. It's because of all of you that this is possible. So with that, we're going to get into this pour. All the colors I'm using today are high flow acrylic out of the large tubes. I hope I tape this down well enough. It's so big compared to what I'm using all the time. Yeah. Okay. So it's a very large cup. So, and I'm going to be letting it fall from a higher point so that the colors kind of churn through each other. But I think it's going to look pretty cool. There is silicone only in the colors that I'm using to pour. On that base coat, there is none. It's just my Floetrol mix. I'm getting a lot of bubbles, as you can probably see already. So that's going to be interesting. But I'm very excited. I haven't been able to paint for a while. And I've finally been able to get in here to my garage and do some. And painting is my happy place. It's probably everybody else's happy place too. It's just therapy for me. Look at those cells already. Goodness. Now the cup's staying fairly right there in the center. Have we finally figured it out? Have you finally got it right, Johnny, with the whole keeping the table level thing? I hope so. Well, we'll see, huh? Oh man, that is crazy. I just tripped. Well, it wouldn't be one of my paintings if I didn't spill paint where it didn't belong. The cells this thing is making. Look at that hot pink color. Well, let me take some of this black so it doesn't all roll underneath. I don't want to lose it, That is crazy looking. Look at that. It is moving a little though, huh? Not too much, just a little. Yeah, that's pretty though. That hot pink with that black and white. I love it. All right. So I hope everybody's feeling well and just having a fantastic day. A lot of you have been talking about doing some of these techniques and trying them for yourself, saying that you got some inspiration from these and stuff, and that's awesome. And I would love to see them. I really would. So I do have a Facebook group. I have my own little Facebook page, but nobody can. Oh wow! Oh, almost dropped the popsicle stick in the paint. I have my own page, but nobody can post to it. But I also have a group that's attached to that page, and it's in the second link in my description. I would love for you to join that community if you know, if you're a fellow artist, and I would love it if you just share your work. I would love to see it. Really would. All right, this is looking insane. It's beautiful though. Now, this is a much bigger cup than I'm used to, so my swipe's gonna have to be very large. Much bigger than normal. All right. The majority of the paint is still in the center of the canvas. We should have plenty of paint for this to slide on. So let me pop any of the bubbles. The cells that are popping up in the middle. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's beautiful. All right, so now, because of the size of this, it's gonna spin everywhere, isn't it? Okay, well, I'm ready to get covered in paint. You guys ready to get covered in paint with me? I hope so. Oh my gosh, look out. I think this already looks gorgeous. Oh wow, look at that. That is amazing. Let me see if I can center that just a little. I don't want to disturb the cells too much. But I don't have any more black without mixing it, and I don't want to subject you guys to that. So maybe a gentle spin. It got to one of the corners, didn't quite get to the second one. But it got enough of it to where I can use a popsicle stick and spread that. Look at that. Wow. Well, not using that popsicle stick. Round 2. All right. And it's so much larger, I can't just take excess. You know what? We're gonna hope we have enough. I don't want to mess up those cells there, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the black that I do have. Oh, we had enough. We had plenty enough. Over on that corner, still need some. The cells in this though. We got the corners. Wow. No min wax was used in this. Just the coconut oil hair serum. So I'm going to use this heat gun again. Activate any more silicone that we can. And pop any of those little bubbles that might still be in there. Hanging out. This looks crazy. So there's some areas that it's really stark color, and some areas where the colors blended to create different cells. A whole big huge swath of lacing right there. I love it. Let me bring you guys down for a close-up so you guys can see this. This is crazy looking. You can see all these like really stark colors, but then it kind of blended to create cells too. This is crazy looking. Then you got all this really interesting lacing over here on the side. This thing is beautiful.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.